Hello friends, welcome in Anil Tech at our YouTube channel. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to find the actual salary using some formula in advance. So this is very important thing because we have the table of employee table. In this table, you will see the employee name and basic salary, expense and advance. So I will find out the total value of per month salary, which is the actual value because of 500 which is given in expense for this employee. And in the first day the employee have taken 1000 rupees. So how will calculate the basic and main salary which is given to this employee? So first of all, I will type here formula. I will type equal, and then I will type C5. This is a C5 column. I will type C5, then I will press minus. It's very interesting. And then type some formula and bracket. So this 500 and 1000 will be added and minus from the 6000 rupees and find the total value, which is the actual salary of this employee. So give the reference D5 and colon E5. Close this and hit enter. You will see the salary is a 4500, and drop down and just scroll to apply these values to the entire cell. So this is very interesting. If one thing I'm going to tell you that is very advanced, because the if any employee have prevalence, because the customer have not paid the full balance in the previous month and some salary left. For example, the salary left 2000 rupees. 2000 rupees is the previous balance for this employee. So what will be formula? So I will type here formula. Just type plus, then type F5, and you will see the sum F5 and hit enter. So this is the calculation, and if you apply this and if you add any, this employee have the previous balance. Suppose that this employee have the 1000 previous balance, what will be the actual salary? It's a magic. So this is very interesting and simple trick that will help you to manage your employee salary and employee details. So this is very important. Some formula. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe YouTube channel. Thank you.